Alright, so we are going to install the Diesel Freak boost increaser valve after the stage 2 tune. I've ran it for a while without it. I just figured I had some time, so I'd install it. That is the wastegate. So the instructions say to remove that clamp right there in the center of the video, and the other one down there, and to cut the hose on the plastic part because it's very fragile and it does look that way. So hopefully we can remove this without damaging that, because I'm sure that's not very cheap. So I was able to remove it. I didn't cut it. I tried to cut it and I felt like I was digging too deep into it, and I was going to be cutting the actual wastegate, the plastic tube coming off of it, so I elected to cut it. It loosened it up quite a bit, and I pulled on the edges with a needle nose pliers, and then I just pushed it down gently with a screwdriver. So I guess I don't know what to say other than that. That's what I had to do. Honestly, I'm afraid to push any harder than what I did. So it says to install it with the arrows pointing toward the wastegate, so I just installed that small hose before I'm going to put it down there. As you can see there, that's what I'll be doing. Well, there it is installed. I don't know if everyone has better tools than me or what, but that last clamp up on the wastegate there was very difficult to get on. I ended up using a really small 1/4 inch wrench